So this is a relatively easy job. There is absolutely no reason why anybody should have to take their car to a shop to get this done. So as you can see there, we have a nail in our tire and it's nice and wet, so we can see it bubbling. Ooh, it's a screw. So the kit comes with two tools, and here we are using the reamer tool. We'll go in and out twice just to kind of freshen the hole. There we go. Beautiful. Okay. Now we're going to push this in here. And here we are using our plug insert tool. But you want to get some good leverage from straight above. Push it about halfway in, cut it off. So I'm going to give that about 20 minutes while I'm doing the sway bar link, and then it should be good to go. We can put air in it. Pretty simple job. Anybody could do it. Thumbs up if you like the video. Subscribe. Stop by the channel for more tips and tricks on how to make this an even easier job.